good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing well and keeping yourselves safe and washing your hands. This is a continuation of my 2020 Mermay Illustration series, and this is my second illustration. I'll be making the Sea Angel plus Spirit Element illustration today, and again, I'm doing it on traditional. I'll be using watercolor and inks as mediums, and I already have my thumbnail and composition sketched out, rough sketch out, the idea at least. And so yeah, I'm gonna jump right in and do the preliminary sketch. So I've decided to basically fast forward the initial sketch part, mainly because you don't really, I mean, it's kind of boring to watch. And number one, and number two, because it's because it being a sketch and I'm using my blue color pencil, it's a bit difficult to see through the video, like the lines that I'm making. So I decided to just fast forward it, get to the meat of the illustration, the inking and watercolor stage. So yeah, just going to fast forward through the sketches and get right into inking. I initially decided to use my Pentel pocket brush pen, and I'm still not used to it, so I actually didn't like how the lines came out. So midway through, I decided to use my Tombow brush nib pens, as I'm more comfortable using that over my Pentel pocket brush. So I still need practice using this, but yeah, it was just nice to test it out and see how it works. I just need to get used to the pen and have like a muscle memory of sorts where yeah, I'm just used to using it. So it's very, what's the word I'm looking for? It's very delicate and it's not easy to use it. The nib is very sensitive and very accurate in a way. I mean, I'm sure once I get used to it, I'll be able to utilize it properly. So yeah, just a matter of time. So I just need to keep practicing. So yeah, inking, I've decided to quicken the video as well. So after this, I'll tape it up and then get into the watercolor stage. So enjoy the video. There's going to be less talking, less narration on this one, and I'll get back to you at the end of the video. Enjoy. All right, I am back, and to be completely honest, I did not like how this piece turned out. I'm still not really sure on how to use the masking fluid that I've got. Just not used to, still not used to it, I guess, or maybe it's just the product. And because I thought that if I would use the applicator, I would be able to get thinner, finer lines out of it. Go in and be able to get more details on it. But I'm still not used to it, I suppose. So yeah, just did not like how this turned out. I'm still not used to using watercolors as well. Like, I know the basics of it now. I just need to paint more and just learn more of what the properties of watercolors are, and just get used to it. For example, the first character on the left side, I didn't like how the colors came out on the first character, the one on the left. And when I say I don't like how the colors came out, what I mean is that I tend to go overboard on the layers. So I think I did three layers on these two illustrations. And on the first one, the leftmost character, I found that I don't like, I put too much colors into it, and so it's become a bit grainy and muddy. So especially if you see the wings, the area near the wings and the chest area, call it the chest, and I'm making an illustration of a humanoid plus a weird eerie looking creature. So, but I think you get my point that I'm trying to make. I've put in too much layers and it's looking very grainy, and so the second one is a lot better, I find. But the first one, yeah, I just need to get used to watercolors. But I do enjoy the working on it, on using it, and working on this medium. Ink as well. Ink is my favorite medium of all. It's just so unique in a way. Ink and watercolors both are water-based, or water-based illustration mediums, but they are also very distinguished in, they have similarities, but then they're just very different again. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and once again, if you are doing the Mermay series as well, please post links to where I can see them, whether that is YouTube videos or Instagram or Twitter, anywhere where you're sharing your artworks. Please leave them in the comments down below. I will leave descriptions of the materials that I use, and as a disclaimer, those are affiliate links to Amazon. So if you do buy any of the products through the links, I get a small commission back from Amazon, and it just helps me out. So again, thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, comment down below again, and subscribe for future videos. I have links to my other social medias on the description. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and if you want, you can also buy me a cup of coffee through ko-fi.com. It helps me out in small ways, and I'll continue to make videos regardless of that. But if you do decide to buy me a cup of coffee, thank you for that. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the stillness, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.